I tell daddy let me. I tell you let me work. Eh? Yeah, you also.
Hey, my people. Hey. Only me one no fit hear this one. E get one video, this short video where I play now. I go put am for una make una lis ten. Only me one no fit hear this one. When I listen to this video, I dey ask myself say, are you sure say this one na real human being abi na wetin e be? Because I dey talk all the time say no be everybody wey dey waka dey go na their head correct for head o. Some of them their brain don turn upside down. Hey, according to this video my people wanna go lis ten to, because the thing I no know where I want from start and when I even dey lis ten to the video, I was like, are you for real? This man say when he know his wife, as his wife dey come, his wife na baby mama wey be say don born for another single mother wey don born one girl for another person. As he dey marry her, he carry the pikin follow body. He say one night like that wey be say he with his wife wan do something. Na sometimes woman go dey talk say today I get am my body just be, maybe we just postpone am tomorrow, or maybe I too work today, you know, something like that. He say he come dey beg his wife say abeg make you give me. Then the wife come tell am say make you rest, I no want today. He say and the something don mukinye o. Then he kukuma go his wife pikin room. That is the pikin wey be say his wife carry come, wey be say no be he born am, he no be the papa. He say as he reach there, then the pikin dey say daddy. He say before he say daddy, ohun yen mu jo ne wo. Hey, ohun yen mu ne jo wo. So as his wife can't know wetin dey go on, and then he kukuma tell his wife say make him marry your pikin join you. Can you imagine, my people? Some people na so una be. Hey, I dey talk all the time. Una wey be say una be woman, wey be say you first get pikin for another man, and you go marry another man. You with the papa no dey again. You carry your pikin follow body, and you come dey tell the pikin say they call am daddy. You think say na daddy for okpunu o. He go chuki barrel for inside it, you know. He go chook am because why? He with the pikin dey no relate for anything. He no be papa. You feel say na his stepfather. If we want chook am put, he go chook am put, my people. He no concern am. Because why? He go come look and say, your bio no be born am. See wetin grown up man talk come out for him mouth. This kind person, if he still sleep with the pikin, nothing dey happen. He go say na because of say he no fit control himself and his something don't get up. No be person wey be say, no be if you be say your wife no gree give you, why you no go use your hand take gbegera? Carry film, may you watch, may you just take gbegera, may you say okay, no problem, I go wait tomorrow. Must you go with your wife pikin because of say your wife no give you? The thing get as his sound for inside my ear when I see that video. Una wey dey carry na pikin dey go husband house say na wan go marry, and from today is now your daddy. Dey there, he dey use am take dey torture am like Isi Oluku, Odafe widow. He dey use am take dey torture am, dey use am take dey win. He go tell am say if you tell your mommy the very day wey you go tell am, you go leave this house, and the pikin fear no let am talk. Make una see wetin person husband dey talk come out for mouth. Make I put this video for una because the thing really shock me. Make una watch am. Make una just watch am. Make una listen. For those of una wey be say no dey hear Bini, because na Bini the man take talk am. He say when the something don hold am, he can't tell the wife say make he give her. The wife say make he postpone am. He say na he kukuma go his wife pikin room. He said that one they say daddy no. He say before he dey talk, we ezion he don choke am. He don't choke am. Salobwa why miss calls. Kaspa why me down. Make una be careful. Many men like this they do because of say this one talk your comment. The one way be say don't they do. The pikin fear not let am talk comment. Now when maybe he don't grow, he don't come up for a mama place, he will come they talk wetin really happen to her. So now they talk till maybe they can't get that encouragement to like say bust am and say see wetin pass through the time when they grow come. If mama husband they chook hand for inside Kpekus, if they chook something for inside, he say make it not talk. Now wow, so men, mona go ask, mona go tell God may forgive you now. So more pikin wey be say he don't know anything. Una was yen joy. Because I say not be your pikin. If na your pikin, you go still do one. Now the same thing. It not change. Make I put the video for now. Make una just watch.
Oh, Tioma. You know, walking me. Now, where I get more than I make. And of the woman, and I'm on mobile party. I don't know, you know. And I don't want years of war. Me ati ezeyo me. Ya ati ezeyo me. Ai me ya uye go gani. Ah. Iye wa ko pa we ni mi ese na so na ko. Na ba o ti daddy let me. Ade ti let me we ko. Iye ire ni aso ke do aka ma we ge bi ni daddy we mo bi o if you so he may have been anywhere. You only yaking the second wife, a year what we ain't quit. So what going here, we don't go here on that. If you don't go get back, you see while another. Okay, to you in the married a year in here. What I say.